Well, what is up, people? I am at Throttle Shrottle, but I'm not here for breakfast or anything like that as usual. But for a very specific reason, I am here to get my bike serviced at the Throttle garage that is handled and run by the man himself.
I am Amit. I'm part of Throttle Shrottle garage, and basically the concept behind this garage is it's a do-it-yourself garage where we want to promote that you learn more about your bike and help yourself in case of need.
Wesley. Wesley production.
Cameraman, क्या कर रहे हो?
Too many mechanics at job.
So I've never really been a DIY kind of a guy. I never knew much about my motorcycle, but Amit right here helped me a lot to know more about my motorcycle, and Amit will explain you what we've done to the bike.
Basic regular maintenance job, a general service. And since this machine had clocked some 24,000 kilometers, so we cleaned the throttle body, inspected both the wheel bearings, tightened up all the body nuts, etc. That's all. Like Honda generally recommends 10W30, but here we have put 10W40 because Delhi has, like, temperature wise Delhi comes in a hotter city condition, so for hotter climate, even Honda also says you can find that this information in your manual, that like a stock, or you will find a grade where they will recommend, like, if your operating temperature, normal temperature is this much to this much, you should do it this way. So when you see the map moving towards a 40-degree graph, you will see it goes to 10W40. Replaced couple of odd wear and tear parts such as air filter, oil filter, brake pads, etc.
That reminds me of my bad experience with Honda servicing, and that's why I have come here. And let me show you one thing.
Meanwhile.
More? Come.
Well, this is the condition of my oil filter, which was apparently changed on every servicing, but it still looks like this. So what happens is they charge me for it but didn't change it. So that's Honda servicing for you.
Well, that's very unfortunate thing to do. Like, that's a very cheap part, and if I don't understand the logic if somebody is doing that.
चलिए. So that is basically it. That is all we did on the bike. There are a few other odd things that are to be done on the bike that I'll cover in some other video.
Now the canvas is endless.
Yeah.
You can plan as many things as we can learn. Chalo.
कैमरामैन एटॉमिक कुकी के साथ चांद नवाब थ्रॉटल शॉटल। क्या हो गया? हाँ। Well, with that run, let's call it a day. Very productive day, and the bike runs noticeably smoother. I've never felt this big of a difference after a service. They cleaned the throttle body, they changed the oil to a fully synthetic one, and the bike, though subtly, but feels a little improved. हाँ बेंच बोलने मत दो मुझे। ब्रो बाइक क्या मक्खन चल रही है बताए? मक्खन चल रही है बाइक, बहुत स्मूथ चल रही है।
बोला था कि नोज इज शिट
भाई, रियली नोज इज शिट भाई, बहुत स्मूथ चल रही है बाइक। I've never felt such a difference after a service.
पिकअप अभी थोड़ी ज़्यादा लग रही है, तो वो जो हम साइड बाय साइड से वो पुल करते हैं ना, तो अभी नोटिस हो रहा है थोड़ा सा।
मतलब तेरे हिसाब से पिकअप ज़्यादा आ रहा है मेरा?
इन द सेंस कि पिकिंग अप लाइक यू कीपिंग अप फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम।
हाँ
बिफोर आई पुल अवे।
चल अभी देखते हैं, ग्रीन होने दे। Dark clouds again. I've been drenched twice this afternoon while getting the parts for the bike. I don't want to get drenched again. Shit, no man, shit. ये सब गुड़गांव वाले हैं जो ये तो अभी घर पहुंच जाएंगे। मेरे को दूसरी दुनिया में जाना है अभी। It's a whole fucking another universe. So all in all, the bike runs perfect. हाँ? तेरा टैंक खाली हो गया? पेट्रोल पंप कहाँ है? पेट्रोल पंप राइट में है। So yeah, as I was saying, the bike runs noticeably smoother with all the oil changing, all that stuff. I'm not very technical. There's only one thing left to do, that is get the timer chain right. There's a slight sound coming from the timer chain. Amit has done a really good job by mellowing it down, by slightly tensioning the timer chain, but it is well out of timing, well out of timing. I don't know. So yeah, gotta get that fixed, and then it's a flawless bike. फक नो, मेरे को नहीं भीगना हिंचोद। फिर से तीसरी बार है ये दिन में। Because of the mic cutout, the GoPro isn't waterproof right now, so better switch it off.